Welcome guys, Senjo here. Welcome once again to this module, and thank you so much for picking up this course, Exchanger Business Code. So right in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to create and verify your Binance account. So the first step I'm going to do is to head over to my browser, and on your Google, just search for Binance. I prefer to do this because I don't want to go to the wrong website. Okay, so to avoid heading over to the wrong website and being scammed, just type on Google, and the first link right there is your link to your Binance account. So you will click on that. Okay, right now we are on Binance official website. So what I'm just going to do is to click on register now. So it brings me to this page. Now I can either register with my email address or I can register with my mobile phone, but I will prefer you guys to use email address. So I'm just going to enter in my email address right now. Okay, then I'm going to enter in a password. Now for this password, make sure it is case sensitive. Make sure you follow the rules. All right, we have one capital letter. Let me use Texo Academy right now. Let me show you guys the password. So Texo Academy. Okay, it is still weak, so let's add a number to it. Let's say 2020. Okay, it's medium right now. Let's add some alphanumeric keys. Let's use arts. Awesome. Can you see that? Texo Academy 2020 arts, right? And T here is a capital letter. So this is the way you are going to form your own password. It has to be minimum of 8 characters. You have to include an upper key, right? An uppercase letter, and you also have to add at least one number. And then to make it stronger, just use any of the alphanumeric signs, either at or hyphen or hash or dollar or percentage or and whatever it is that you want to add, right? So we are going to keep this simple to this point. Then we're going to create accounts. I'm not going to save this right here because I already have a Binance account previously, so I don't want to complicate things, but I'm just going to show you the steps that you need to take. Right now they've sent a code to senjo2020@gmail.com, so I'm going to head over to my email address and check on that to see if a code was actually sent. I'm actually checking that now with my mobile phone. So, and here we go, the email just came in. I'm going to enter the code right now, and we have 897521, right? So once you do that, it's going to take you down to your dashboard. We are fully registered now on Binance. So the next thing I'm going to do, by the top right here, I'm going to click on go to dashboard. So here we are. This is our crypto exchange. Awesome. Now I just need to explain this to you guys. This is a verification process. Right now, this security verification popped out here because you need to secure your account against fraudsters. Right now, you can either do this by way of phone verification or by Google verification. Right now, there's this mobile app we call Google Authenticator. Right, just go over to your Apple Store or to your Play Store. Right, Apple if you're using iOS, and Play Store if you're using Android. Right, then search for Google Authenticator. Right, let me just quickly type that in. Google Authenticator. So just search for that on your Android Play Store or on your iOS Play Store. So just search for that and download the app. So once you've downloaded the app, then you can come over here and link your authenticator, your Binance account to it, right? but you just need to be very careful with this. Let's just take the steps right now. Let's just take the steps. Now the first step here is to download the app, right? So here it is. This is the App Store, this is the Google Play Store. So just same thing I said previously. So once you're done downloading that, you move to the next step. Now you have to be very careful with this code. If you by chance miss or lose your account, then this is your savior, right? You just need to copy out this code that I highlighted in blue. You just need to copy it out to your diary or to your jotter or whatever it is, a place where it can actually be safe. Anyone who has this code can actually have access to your account, right, with your password too. Okay, so you just need to keep this safe. If you lose your account, this is the way to recover it. Okay, so once you've copied this out, all you just need to do is to click on the app that you just downloaded, then type in this code in there. You can either type in this code or you can scan this code here, right? So once you do that, click on next, then ensure that you've copied this code, right? Then click on next. Now you are going to send a code to your email address. Just click on send code and then click on the app that you just downloaded. You will see a code that has been generated for you. This code is generated and it lasts for about 5 to 10 seconds if I'm not mistaken. So you just need to enter in the code before it expires on your Google Authenticator, right? So once you enter in that code, click on submit. Now it's going to bind your Binance account with your Google Authenticator, right? Don't forget to add your email verification code right here. So once you click on send code, they're going to send you the email code, then you enter it here. So this is how to verify, this is how to bind your Binance account with your Google Authenticator. But should in case you want to use phone number, that is also simple. All you just need to do is to click on phone verification, and once you click on phone verification, select your country, then add your phone number to it, and it's going to bring you up to bind your code, to bind your Binance account with your phone number, right? But I will recommend you to use Google Authenticator because that is way far safer for you guys. Okay, so once you are done with that, I'm going to close that right now. So once you are done with that, you're going to go over to this place, okay, to your profile, then click on identification. And when you click on identification, it's going to bring you up to this place, right? So all you just need to do is to click on verify under the personal details. So you click on verify. But let me quickly show you a good number of steps that you need to do, right? So you need to verify your personal details, you need to verify your address, you also need to upgrade your account, right? For you to upgrade this account, all you just need to do is to upload a valid means of identification, right? Now for the social account, you can do this if you wish. I didn't do that on my own account, and I'm using my account fully, right? I'm using all of the features in Binance in my own account, right? So you don't need that. But if you wish to do that, you can go ahead and do that. You're free. Okay, so just click on the first step, personal account, personal verification. So if you're not from Nigeria, if you're watching this video from anywhere around Africa or any other country, just do it to select your country right here. Just type in your country and then click on start. Now the next thing you're going to do is to enter in your BVN, right? Now because I already have an account with Binance, I'm not going to enter my BVN right now because this is one of the ways to verify your account. Hey guys, this is completely 100% safe for you, right? So don't be scared to put in your bank verification code here. Don't be scared about that. It's a way to ensure that nobody has double accounts on Binance, right? That's why they are requesting for this. So once you do that, click on verify ID, Okay, so once you do that, click on submit and continue. It's going to bring you to verify your ID. Then enter in your first name, your middle name, and your last name, right? Then enter your date of birth just the same way it is on your BVN. Then enter in your address, postal code, and city, right? Now for this postal code, all you just need to do is to go over to your browser, your Google. Then if you are let me say my office address is Wuse 2 Abuja, so I'm going to type in Wuse 2 postal code. I'm going to search that on Google, and it's going to bring out the code for me. Can you see that? So 900288, that's the postal code of Wuse 2. I just need to do is to add it as the postal code right here and put in my city, then submit and continue. So once you do this successfully, the next page you're going to come up with is to upload your means of identification. Okay, your means of identification, and the acceptable means of ID that you can actually use is your international passport, your driver's license, your voter's card. You can actually use a voter's card, but it's the permanent voter's card, that's the PVC. Most of my cryptocurrency students actually use their PVC and it worked for them, right? But don't use the paper one. Don't use the paper one if you are from Nigeria right now. Don't use the paper one, but use the plastic card, right? You can also use your national identification card, right? That's your NIMC, national ID card. You can actually use that, but don't use the paper one. As I said, they don't approve that. So if you have the permanent one, the plastic one, you can actually use that to verify your Binance account right here. So once you upload your details, it's going to take about 24 to 48 hours to verify your Binance account. And once you do that, you've successfully had your Binance account verified. So that when next you come, or when next you log into your account, if you click on profile right here, you're not going to be seeing VIP 0 again. You're going to be seeing VIP 3 verified. You're not going to be seeing unverified again, right? You're not going to be seeing that. So this is just how to verify your Binance account, and I'm going to see you in the next video.